it says I maintain blood glucose level and serves as a fuel reserve for supply of ATP during muscle contraction. Yes, it is glycogen. Today we discuss about glycogenesis. Synthesis of glycogen from glucose is called glycogenesis. It is stored form of glucose in animals as starch in plants. Glycogen is stored mostly in liver and muscles as granules in the cytosol. Why store glycogen as fuel reserve? As such, fat is the fuel reserve of the body. However, it is not preferred. Instead, glycogen is chosen for the day-to-day use of the energy. Why? Because glycogen can rapidly mobilized, can generate energy in absence of oxygen, and produce glucose. Brain depends on continuous glucose supply, which mostly comes from the glycogen. On the other hand, fat mobilization is slow and they need oxygen for energy production. They cannot produce glucose. So, because of these reasons, we store glycogen as fuel reserve. Glucose is converted to glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme glucokinase in the liver or hexokinase in the muscle by utilizing ATP. This glucose 6 phosphate is converted to glucose 1 phosphate by the enzyme phosphoglucomutase. And UDP glucose is formed from glucose 1 phosphate by the enzyme UDP glucose pyrophosphorylase. From this UDP glucose, a glycogen primer is synthesized. A small fragment of pre-existing glycogen must act as primer to initiate glycogen synthesis. In absence of glycogen primer, a specific protein named glycogenin can accept glucose to form primer. Hydroxyl group of glycogenin is a site at which initial glucose unit is attached, which is transferred by the enzyme glycogen initiator synthase. Then glycogenin itself takes up a few glucose residues to form fragment of primer, and this serves as an acceptor for rest of glucose molecules. Now the glycogen primer is ready. Next process is to synthesize chain. This is catalyzed by the enzyme glycogen synthase. Glycogen synthase is responsible for formation of 1,4-glycosidic linkages. It transfers the glucose from UDP glucose to non-reducing end of glycogen to form alpha-1,4 linkages. The other enzyme, glucosyl alpha-4,6 transferase, is responsible for branching of glycogen. It makes alpha-1,6 bond. From here, glycogen is further elongated and branched by enzymes glycogen synthase and glucosyl 4,6 transferase respectively, forming alpha-1,4 bonds and 1,6 bonds. This is how the glycogen is formed.